If you want to lose fat faster, stop guessing. Today I'll show you exactly what to eat, step by step. First rule, start your morning with water. 1 full glass. Hydration boosts metabolism instantly. Breakfast must be high protein. Protein controls hunger and protects muscle while you burn fat. Eat 3 whole eggs with vegetables. This keeps you full for hours. I'm going to add 1 small bowl of oats with berries. Slow carbs give stable energy. Eat slowly, chew properly. Fast eating leads to overeating. This is delicious. So creamy and flavorful. Wait 3 to 4 hours before your next meal. Let your body burn stored fat. Lunch must be balanced: protein, fiber, and controlled carbs. Grilled chicken for protein, brown rice for fiber, and a fresh salad. Perfect for staying focused and energized. Choose lean protein like grilled chicken or fish. Avoid fried food completely. Add 1 small serving of brown rice. Portion control is everything.
Fill half your plate with vegetables. Fiber speeds up fat loss. Drink water again. No soda, no sugary drinks. If hungry, eat a smart snack. Almond wines or wine apple is pick. Move your body daily. Even a 20-minute walk increases fat burning. Dinner should be lighter than lunch. Keep it high protein and low carb.
Choose salmon, eggs, or lean meat for dinner.
Add steamed vegetables. They help digestion and control calories.
Eat at least 2 hours before sleep. Late eating slows fat loss. Remove junk food from your home. Environment controls discipline. Prepare meals in advance. Planning prevents cheating. Track your progress weekly, not daily. Stay patient. Fat loss is simple. Consistency beats motivation every time. If you eat like this for 30 days, your body will change. Start today. Eat smart, burn fat faster, and become your best version.